Did you know that over 90% of visible aging signs on our skin are caused by external factors, not just getting older? Many of us think expensive treatments are the only answer. But what if I told you the real secret to turning back the clock is hiding in your kitchen? What if you could reverse aging while you sleep, just by changing what you eat? Forget the needles and the pricey creams for a moment. Today, we're diving into a natural, delicious way to rejuvenate your body from the inside out. We're going to unlock the power of food to fight wrinkles, boost elasticity, and give you that youthful glow, all while you get your beauty rest. So, get ready to discover the ultimate anti-aging hack. Let's be honest, the pressure to look young is everywhere. We see celebrities and influencers looking flawless, and the first thing that comes to mind is often Botox, fillers, or other cosmetic procedures. These treatments have become so common, it's almost like a routine part of modern life. In the US alone, millions of Botox injections are administered every year. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry built on the promise of a quick fix. But what are the downsides? First, there's the cost. Maintaining these treatments can drain your bank account, with regular appointments needed every few months. Then, there are the potential side effects: bruising, swelling, or that frozen face look we've all seen. More importantly, it's a temporary solution. It addresses the symptom, the wrinkle, but not the root cause of aging. It's like painting over a crack in the wall without fixing the foundation. This reliance on external fixes has created a massive desire for something more authentic, more holistic. People are starting to ask, isn't there a better way? A more natural way to age gracefully, or even reverse some of the damage? Many of us feel a little uneasy about injecting foreign substances into our bodies just to chase an ideal of youth. We want to feel good and look good, but we want it to come from a place of genuine health and vitality, not just a superficial fix. That's the challenge we're tackling today, finding a sustainable, natural path to youthful skin that doesn't involve a single needle. So how does this magical overnight transformation happen? It all comes down to what our bodies do while we sleep. Sleep is our body's prime time for repair and regeneration. During these crucial hours, our body releases human growth hormone, which helps maintain and repair our tissues, including our skin. Our cells work overtime to fix the damage from the day, like sun exposure and pollution. To do this repair work effectively, our cells need the right building blocks. And where do they get them? From the food we eat. This is where specific nutrients become our anti-aging superheroes. Let's start with collagen. It's the protein that gives our skin its structure and firmness. As we age, our collagen production naturally decreases, leading to sagging and wrinkles. But we can support our body's collagen production by eating foods rich in vitamin C. Think citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, our body just can't make enough. Next up, antioxidants. These are compounds that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage our cells and accelerate aging. You want an army of antioxidants on your side. You can find them in brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Blueberries, for example, are packed with anthocyanins, which protect your skin from sun damage and collagen breakdown. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, which improve skin elasticity and hydration. And we can't forget healthy fats, especially omega-3s. These are found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as in walnuts and flax seeds. Omega-3s help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, keeping it hydrated and strong. They also have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm down skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. Think of them as internal moisturizers that work while you sleep. By eating these foods, you're essentially providing your body with a toolkit of nutrients to rebuild and rejuvenate your skin overnight. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. If there was one standout superfood combination to turbocharge your overnight skin repair, what would it be? I want you to start thinking about a skin-rejuvenating nightcap. No, not alcohol. That actually dehydrates you and disrupts sleep. I'm talking about a powerful duo: tart cherries and walnuts. Let's break it down. Tart cherries are one of the best natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Getting high-quality sleep is non-negotiable for skin repair. Better sleep means more time for your body to produce collagen and repair cell damage. But that's not all. Tart cherries are also bursting with antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, directly combating the aging process. Now, let's pair that with a handful of walnuts. As we mentioned, walnuts are a fantastic source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. They help strengthen the skin cell membranes, locking in moisture and keeping irritants out. They also contain a good dose of vitamin E, another potent antioxidant that protects skin from UV damage. But here's the secret synergy. Walnuts also contain melatonin, amplifying the sleep-enhancing effects of the cherries. This combination is a true powerhouse. You're promoting deeper, more restorative sleep, while simultaneously providing your body with the exact anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds it needs to repair your skin. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that participants who drank tart cherry juice concentrate had significantly higher melatonin levels and experienced improvements in sleep quality and duration. Imagine combining that with the skin-fortifying benefits of walnuts. It's a simple, delicious, and science-backed strategy to literally eat your way to younger skin while you sleep. So, let's wrap this up. We've talked about how the quest for youth often leads us to expensive and temporary fixes like Botox. But the real sustainable solution lies in our diet. By giving your body the right nutrients, you can empower its natural overnight repair processes. We explored the key players: vitamin C for collagen production, antioxidants from colorful fruits and veggies to fight cell damage, and healthy omega-3 fats to keep skin hydrated and strong. And we revealed the ultimate anti-aging nightcap: the powerful combination of tart cherries and walnuts to boost sleep and deliver a concentrated dose of skin-rejuvenating compounds. The power to reverse aging is not in a needle. It's on your plate. Now I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite anti-aging foods or natural skin secrets? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to see what you're doing. And if you found this helpful and want more tips on how to look and feel your best naturally, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss our next video. Thanks for watching.